In this video, secret LEGO tips and tricks for beginners. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to Birdvice, building your way of knowledge. If you want LEGO tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new LEGO tips from the Birdvice YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about secret LEGO tips and tricks for beginners. Number 1. Color contrast. So let's say, for example, if you are trying to make a creepy forest from a horror film, it would be good to use contrast colors like dark brown, black, dark green. If you want to make something bright and happy, it would be good to use bright colors. The use of colors in this way gives your build more character. However, it is very important that you use colors wisely. Number 2, the Snot method. This is a term that stands for studs not on top. There are different types of pieces that you can use to accomplish snot. Some of the most common ones are snot bricks and plates. It can add great details to your builds. Number 3, illegal building. It is not what the name implies. It is simply a way that you can use pieces together in a way that they aren't supposed to be used. There are many illegal building techniques that you can try. Number 4, balance between tiles and studs. The human eyes perceive your build differently depending on the number of tiles and studs you use. If you are trying to build a car, then it's good for you not to use a lot of studs, or else the build will have a bumpy, rough and rugged look. Whereas if you're designing a living room and you want to design a carpet, then it's good for you to use a lot of studs for the floor. Number 5, transitions. This means moving from one section of the build to another. For example, letting the bottom of a building to look rocky, then as you build it higher, it smoothens out. Using colors is also very important for transitioning. The base of your build should have darker shades that transition into lighter shades as your build gets higher. Number 6, shade. Let your builds have more shade. Number 7, pay attention to the small details. You should be able to take your LEGO creation, look at one small aspect of it and ask yourself, did I put enough detail in this spot? And if your answer is no, then there's definitely more improvement that can be made to that part. Number 8, balance between simplicity and complexity. To be a true expert builder, you have to know when it's appropriate to be simple and when it's appropriate to be complex. This will save you a lot of time and energy. Do not spend your time thinking of some complex technique of building something. That can throw away your motivation. Know the balance between the two sides and use them appropriately. This is sure to help you advance faster and make better LEGO creations. Number 9, experiment. The truth is, there is no better way to learn than to experiment. If you don't do this, your building will not improve. Try different styles of building and see how other people design their builds. Lastly, number 10. Make friends and participate in the LEGO community. There are a lot of fans of LEGOs just like you that want to grow their skills and become expert builders. Practicing with them will help increase your skills. You can also learn from experts in the community or expert friends when you meet them. Ask for more tips and tricks to help you better your skills. Even if you're an expert already, you don't know all the tricks that are out there. You could go for an online group where you all share ideas and lessons that you have learned for the benefit of other people on the group. And I'll see you next time.